Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through listing products from your store on Kaufland Global Marketplace using M2E. We'll show you how to add new products to Kaufland catalog. First, head over to the Listings tab in the app and select your Kaufland account from the drop-down. Find the List on Kaufland button in the top right corner and click on it. Next, choose which Kaufland marketplace you want to sell on: Germany, France, Italy, Poland, or several other European markets. Now, let's define your product settings. These apply to all products you're about to list. Start with the selling policy. Here, you'll set your product price, available quantity, and handling time. You can also apply price modifications to adjust your prices up or down by a percentage or fixed amount. Then, move on to the synchronization policy. It determines how the app synchronizes your listings between your store and Kaufland. Finally, select the appropriate product condition for your items. Next is a crucial step you don't want to miss: your barcode source. Kaufland requires a valid product identifier to create new product listings in its catalog. You have several options. You can select your store's barcode field, choose a custom metafield or attribute, or enter the barcode manually. Whatever you choose, make sure the source contains a valid, registered product identifier. Otherwise, your products won't be published on Kaufland. Happy with your settings? Then, let's move on to selecting products to list on Kaufland. At this step, you'll see products from your store that aren't yet listed. Here's a pro tip: use filters to work efficiently in bulk. You can filter items by price range, quantity, category, or other parameters. Grouping similar products together helps keep your settings consistent and saves time. After selecting all your items, click List Now. Not ready to list right away? Click Save as Draft to return to these products later. Then, M2E Listing Validator Assistant will check your products to ensure they meet Kaufland requirements. If no one is selling your products under the provided barcodes, the assistant will guide you through creating new product listings. Click Next Steps to begin. First, assign a category to your products. Click Get Recommended Categories, and Kaufland will suggest the best fit. You can accept the suggestion or choose a different category manually by browsing or searching through the category tree. Once you've made your choice, click Save. Next, you'll need to set the category attributes, required and recommended ones. These help Kaufland display your product correctly. For each attribute, you can select from Kaufland recommended values or map them to metafields or attributes from your store. This works the same way as the barcode source you set up earlier. Once you've configured the attributes, hit Save. M2E will save these settings as a category policy so you can reuse them for future listings in the same category. If you map store attributes, confirm the mapping when prompted. This way, the app will automatically fill in these fields next time you list similar products. Once everything is set, click Save. Then, hit List Now to send your items to the marketplace. Kaufland will review your listings to verify they meet its catalog criteria. If approved, your new products are created and become the primary catalog listings. That's it. You're now ready to add new products to Kaufland catalog. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.